Good morning, children. Now, as you know, this topic was left for you, so I am revising this topic, coal-base reaction. In your NCERT book, this reaction is not given completely. One or two steps is missing there, so I have written all the equations, complete steps, and try to explain to you. Here you will see that first phenol, actual phenol is from phenol, sodium phenoxide is prepared. It is known that sodium phenoxide ion is more reactive towards the electrophilic substitution reaction. So what happens actually, phenol when reacts with sodium hydroxide, what will this sodium NaO, this water will be taken out, H from alcohol and OH from this sodium hydroxide combines together, water is removed, and this Na gets attached to this oxygen. It forms sodium phenoxide. Now this sodium phenoxide is ready to react further reaction with very mild electrophilic compound, that is carbon dioxide. How the reaction takes place, you will try to understand. This CO2 get attached in this place. How you will see, in the presence of an acid. Okay, in the presence of acid the reaction is taking place. So COONA, can you see? This instead of sodium, H takes its place and forms the OH here, and in this ortho position of benzene ring, COO, two carbon with two oxygen, COO, and Na changes its place and come and get attached to this oxygen. Okay, so in this way intermediate compound is formed. This is an intermediate compound. This intermediate compound does not last long. It reacts with hydrochloric acid, that is H plus ion. Either it is written H plus ion or acids you can take. Here we will talk with the HCl acids. When HCl gets react to it, this sodium present here combines with the chlorine and forms NaCl, which is removed. And the remaining H of this compound gets attached to this place, and then you will get a salicylic acid. NaCl is removed and the final product salicylic acid. Salicylic acid formula you have to learn it by heart. Benzene ring with OH, that is the phenol compound, and to the ortho position carboxylic group is attached. Another name of this compound is orthohydroxybenzoic acid, or in your book it is written 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. It is one and the same thing. Now we will come to the another named reaction, that is the Raymond-Temmons reaction. Now, what is Raymond-Temmons reaction? Try to understand, children. That is little bit complicated. In this reaction also, phenol is taken. Phenol is treated with chloroform and sodium hydroxide. Chloroform and sodium hydroxide, this you keep it in mind. Here the alcoholic group that is attached to the benzene ring, the H of this reacts with the OH of this base and forms water and is removed. And in this place of H, sodium gets attached. And you can see the sodium is getting attached here. And meanwhile, the hydrogen that is present in the ortho position combines with one of the chlorine of this chloroform and forms HCl. The remaining CHCl2 gets attached to this position. So you will see the one intermediate compound is obtained. This intermediate compound then reacts with more of base. Large amount of base is again added, extra or more bases. Now what will happen? The 2 sodium will react with 2 chlorine and 2 molecules of sodium chloride is removed. And again you will see hydrogen water has been removed, NaCl has been removed totally, and then you will see the hydrogen, water is also been removed. Now in place of this, what is happening? How the water is removed, you can see. 2 oxygen and 2 hydrogen present. Out of this 2 oxygen, 1 oxygen get attached to this position, and that is a formaldehyde group. They see formaldehyde group get attached here, and the 2 hydrogen plus 1 remaining oxygen combines and forms water is removed. Now this intermediate again compound, this is not been completely formed product. This is treated with an acid, that is HCl acid. Na reacts with the chlorine forming NaCl, and in place of Na, H gets attached to it. Now the final product you will get will be salicylaldehyde. In coal-base reaction, the final product was salicylic acid. That means along with the OH, COH was there, but here it is CHO is there. The name is that 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde or orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. This is the final product.